Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series on SketchUp. Now, I haven't done any of these in a while, and the reason is I was waiting till I purchased SketchUp Pro. So now I have SketchUp Pro 2020, and I'm going to continue with my quick tutorials on SketchUp. So this part number 16, I'm going to go ahead and open up my SketchUp right here. We are going to make a spear, or some people like to call them balls. Very easy process. So let's get this lady out of the way. Sorry, we can talk later. Come over here to your circle command, left click, and down here in the bottom you'll see number 24. I'm going to change this up to 36. So we're going to have 36 sides. Come over here to this, just for tutorial purposes. You can put this anywhere that you need in your drawing, but just for tutorial purposes, I'm going to start right here at this intersection right here. And I'm going to left click and drag, type in 48, enter. There we go. And now I am going to go to right here, the intersection again. I'm going to use the left arrow button on the keyboard. Hold that down, and I'm going to left click and drag, and let's go 24. Okay. You'll see we have two intersecting circles here. Okay, I'm going to come over here to the click button. Click on this outline right here. Come back over to the follow me, which is right here. And left click on that inside circle. Here we have a ball here. So it kind of looks like the planet. So let's go ahead and take this erase button, erase this outer line. There we go. Very easy process. So you'll see if I were to put more segments in my circle here, it would have been a lot smoother. So let's do that over again. I'm going to erase this, delete. Let's go over here to the circle. I'm going to type in 60. You see it's right here. It's typed in 60. I'm just going to left click right here, stretch this out, and let's go 48, enter. Just an example. And you'll see this looks a lot smoother than it did before. Okay, let's go to the circle again, make sure that's highlighted. Hold the left arrow button down on your keyboard. Let's go 36 on this one, enter. There we go. You have these intersecting circles. Come over here to the pick tool. We're going to click on that, have that highlighted. Go to the follow me, click on this one. There we go. Now there is another way. Let's get rid of this, delete. You can come up here to the circle tool, I'm going to left click and put 36, enter. Circle tool, let's go 36, enter. Okay, and then I'm going, come on now, what are you doing wrong? 36, enter. Okay, now let's go over here to the left arrow button again, hold that, let's go 36 again from that pick point, 36, enter. Now you see how these are just on the edge of each other. You can do the same thing and do the highlight. Just highlight both of these. Do the follow me. You have a ball or a spear, but you have two different segments on this one. So in my opinion, just my opinion only, it's much easier to make these efficiently without being two different segments. Let's go ahead and, just for giggles, let's take this one and hide it. Now you can take this and delete. Okay, come back over here to, okay, you see, anyway, this has two different sections or two different segments compared to the other way. We have two different size circles, which I showed you first. It only makes one segment instead of two. So you might be able to use this in some of your drawings, might not, but it is a good skill to have in your arsenal. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.